What's up? You're here with Josh Irvine, Kink Bike Check. I'm going to run you through my kink. I tried to film a bunch of clips, but it decided to rain. We're in Vegas, we suck. What else can I say? Let's run you through. I'm running the 21-inch Kink roll-up frame, Dan Hobie's signature frame. 21-inch, short back end, steep head tube, great for street. Look, if you want to ride on park dirt, go for it, get it. Forks, running Kink Static, I think that's how you say it, 15mm offset. Super steep forks, really good. Stem is the new Kink track stem. I think it's dope. You pretty much tighten up the two top bolts so it's all flush and then pull it down from the bottom. Handlebars, Nathan William bars. They're cut down to 27. Got the shoo, 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 shoo. Samurai, Kink Samurai grips. Amazing grips, probably best grips out there. Coming down to the seat, I got a cinema seat with a Kink seat pose. Coming down to the cranks, we won't worry about because they ain't Kink. The sprocket is a Cinema 25 tooth with the bash guard. Thing's amazing. Back wheel is the FX Free Coaster V2 with the Garrett Reynolds Almighty strong as fuck rims with the Cinema 2.5 tires. Pegs, I'm running the DAC 4.75, those big boys, you know what I mean? Bigger matters. Just ask your girlfriends or your mum. Pedals, we're running the Cinema Tilt pedals. Things are amazing. New design pedal, flat with your foot, great. And front wheel, Cinema front wheel, rim. That's my bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, enjoy your day. I'm out. It's raining. Going home.
Over this.
I fucked up again. Don't laugh at me. Shut up, bro. This is hard. Hella good, short back end, steep head tube. Someone's texting me. The forks, my phone's still going.